which Dasharatha distributed to three wives, one by two part he gave to Kausalyamma, 1/4 to Sumitra Devi, 1/8 to Kaikamma, again 1/8 to Sumitra Devi. So Sumitra gave birth to the twins. Who are Lakshmana, Shatrughna. Yajna Purusha Payasa, 3 wives accepted. Paramatma is dwelling in their womb. In 12th month, in Chaitra Masa, Navami day, Punarvasu star, Aditi Deva Mata, Kausalya gave birth to Ramachandra Prabhu. She shined like Aditi Deva Mata, who gave birth to Indra. Rama appeared on this earth in Karkataka Lagna of Punarvasu star. And Bharata, Meena Lagna of Pushyami star. Aslesha Nakshatram, Lakshmana and Shatrughna chose. They completed all the studies. Dasharatha Maharaja was in search of suitable girls to them for the marriage. Meanwhile, Vishwamitra Maharshi came. Dasharatha felt so happy. He said, "Please order me. I just do whatever you say." Then Vishwamitra said, "I am doing yajna at Siddhashrama to get Siddhi." 2 demons, Maricha, Subahu, are coming in the middle of yajna, trying to disturb the yajna. Even though I am capable in cursing them, I am not doing because I am in the middle of puja. Please send your son, Rama, to take care of the yajna. Dasharatha said, "Oh, no, I cannot. Because you are saying they belong to Ravana, they are so strong, and they come to the duty after 7 p.m. This guy sleeps before 7 p.m. How can I send him? Let me come with all my army, try my best to take care of yajna." Vishwamitra said, "No, send. I know the greatness of Rama. Aham vedmi mahatmanam Ramam. I know the greatness of Rama." And Vasishtha, the great souls also know about him. But that's okay. I am leaving. He was ready to leave. Then Vasishtha said, "Dasharatha, it's an opportunity to Ramachandra. Ramachandra already completed all the courses in the university. Now you need highest studies, which are available near Vishwamitra only. It's an opportunity to Ramachandra. Please send him." Finally, Dasharatha accepted to send Rama. Lakshmana also followed him as shadow. They entered into the forest, killed Tataka upon the order of Vishwamitra Maharshi. Vishwamitra gave Bala, Atibala Vidya, which Rama can survive without hunger, thirsty, sleeping mode. Rama gave that powers to Lakshmana Swami with the permission of Vishwamitra Maharshi. They reached Siddhashrama. Vishwamitra started doing penance. He don't talk in the middle. He don't even open the eyes. 6 days and 6 nights yajna. Other Rishis said, "Rama, Lakshmana, your duty is taking care of yajna. Rakshasas may attack at any time." Rama, Lakshmana, they holded the arrows. Akarna Purna Dhanvanav until their ears, and they both were ready to shoot the Rakshasas. 5 days gone. 6th day, Subahu, Maricha, they both came with 100 Rakshasas, attacked the yajna. Wherever great activity, there will be challenges. Shreyamsi Bahu Vignan. So Vigna came. Who has to take care of? You wanted to do puja here. Nature should support, people should support, right? Many things should be coordinated. Then only you can. So yesterday, my flight should come start at 5:30. They said delayed 6:30. Next 7:30. I was thinking, okay, final 7:30 is okay, or they are going to change it. I don't know. But Perumal finally brought here. Even though I am thinking that I brought Perumal, but Perumal brought me here. That is the beauty. Who is the driver of this whole universe? Paramatma is the one. we should have that consciousness. While communicating, I brought Perumal. This is only to communicate. I can say that. But who brought us here? Whose plan this is? Not Jet New England. It is a plan of God. Made an instrumental in doing all this. So this consciousness is very, very important. Otherwise I say, I did puja. Credit goes to me. Recognize me. Why are you not clapping for me? All this frustration comes out of it.
But Vishwamitra
is giving message. Your exam won't give you marks. Examiner who pleased by your act is going to give the marks. How to get 100 marks in our life? We all are here on this earth. We all are eating for what? We all are eating to live.
we all are eating.
To live. We all are living for what? To eat. No. So if someone asks you why you came here, to eat, is it correct? Are you not going to eat at end of puja? Yes or no? You all are here to eat. Is it correct? Yes, no?
It is also correct. It is also correct.
Yes, remember this. This is very important. You all gathered here not only to eat. You came here to see. You came here to sing, listen, dance, do many activities. Eating also one of it. So we all are here not only to earn, enjoy. Earning, enjoy is a part of life, not the ultimate goal of. So when you fly, there will be some duration. You have to buy the ticket, and they provide few things to enjoy while traveling. There are 4 things in the journey. One is buying ticket. That is called Ardha. Say that. Without Ardha, I won't be here. Someone sponsored for me. All of you. Right? All the supporters of the event, they sponsored. So, that is called Ardha. Then, there will be few facilities. I got window seat. Enjoyed that. But it's not for permanent. Only 4 hours. Right? The enjoyments from takeoff to land is called Kama. What is that? Kama. So fulfilling Kama is not the wrong thing, but it's not the ultimate purpose of travel. Why I am flying to sit near the window seat? Is it correct? No. Kama is a part of journey. Ardha, Kama. Lakshmana is the representative of Ardha. Shatrugna is the representative of Kama. So they both twins. Only from takeoff to land. Travel towards Boston is important. Otherwise, if I go to California, you won't appreciate. Yes, I am flying, but not coming to Boston. So going towards the goal is dharma. What is that? Travel towards the goal is called dharma. So dharma also very important. Then finally reaching the destiny is called moksha. So how many things are there in the travel? Dharma, artha, kama, moksha. Kama always follow dharma. You don't do any activity for the sake of CC camera. Sometimes we love, we smile when camera is there. We should not smile for the sake of camera. We smile, camera captures the. So we don't for the sake of smile. We don't smile for the sake of camera. Smiling is my nature. Right? So Rama always following dharma is his nature. You don't do the dharma for the sake of people, society, club, appreciation, those things. No, you don't do anything. He is a representative of dharma. Personification of dharma. How to say in Sanskrit? Rama is the personification of dharma. Can anyone translate into Sanskrit? Come on. Clap. Because Sanskrit is our mother language. Sanskrit is our mother language. Then we chose some other else, right? So all Indian languages came later. First, which came to me? Sanskrit. So spend little time in knowing Sanskrit. Ramo Vigrahavan Dharmaha. He is the personification of Dharma. Vishwamitra? Vishwamitra is the personification of? Can anyone guess? Now you reveal the answer. Next year also I ask the same question.
Karma, right?
Penance. Esha Vigrahavan Tapaha. Say that. Next year I ask this sentence. Okay? Esha Vigrahavan Tapaha. He is the personification of penance. Rama is the personification of? How to say in Sanskrit? Ramo Vigrahavan Dharma. What about Vishwamitra? Esha Vigrahavan Tapaha. Good job. Now you are eligible to take prasad. Rama is the personification of Dharma. Lakshmano Lakshmi Sampanna. You have to learn all these things. This is not only my wealth, it's our wealth. Lakshmano, the real wealthy person is Lakshmana. What is the wealth? Rama service. Being in the service of Rama. Being volunteer of Jet is the real wealth. Come on, clap for you. Volunteers. That is Lakshmana. Lakshmana means who keep his personal activities aside. Always be in the serving of Rama. That is the real wealth. What about Bharata? He ruled for 14 years without keeping Kirita. People think that he is the king, but he thinks that Padukas are the king. I am the representative of Padukas. Going to the office, not getting headache is called moksha. Yes, we have to do our activities, but we should not affected by the bad impact. So that is called moksha. So Bharata is the representative of moksha. What about Shatrughna? Ghana, healer or remover of enemies. Outside Shatrus, today they are Shatrus, next year they will be very close friends. But permanent Shatrus are there. Who are they? Kama, Krodha, Lobha, Moha, Mada, Matsarya. These 6 committee members never change. They always be within us, bug us, deviate us from Dharma. So they are real enemies. Shatrughna is the one who conquered them. Another Shatru. In Ayodhya, everyone moved around Ramachandra Prabhu. Everyone seen by Ramachandra Prabhu. Everyone saw Ramachandra Prabhu. But only one guy who ignored Rama in that world is Shatrughna. Paramatma Seva is small thing. Bhagavata Seva is a great thing. Being volunteer near the dais is small thing. Being in parking area or keeping the shoes in the row, camera won't cover them. That volunteer is so great. So Shatrughna is the servant of Rama's servant. That is Bhagavata Seva. So upgrade to the volunteer is that is him. Okay? Shatrughna is the highest. So Dharma, Artha, Kama, Moksha. 4 things are there to achieve. That's why they are called Purusha Arthas. Ramachandra, Paramatma took 4 forms to tell us how to keep those in our life. Rama, Kausalyama gave birth to Rama. Next, Kaikamma gave birth to Bharata. Bharata is representative of Moksha. Rama is the representative of Dharma. Don't keep them together. Sumitra gave birth to twins. Ardha and Kama. Ardha Kama, earning, enjoy. Don't keep them together. So danger. Children are in danger zone. Because you are earning to enjoy. Earning, enjoy, don't keep them together. Earn for the sake of Dharma. Keep Lakshmana near Rama. Lakshmana is the representative of Ardha. Use your money in serving. So Lakshmana should be in the service of Rama. Ardha towards Dharma. Kama means desire. Towards moksha. Here is Bharata. Shatrugna should go here. Then no danger. So we have to check ourselves whether we are giving that lifestyle to the children or not. So dharma, artha, kama, moksha, we should know how to enjoy. So that's why Lakshmana was in the service of Rama, Shatrugna was in the service of Bharata. Finally, Lakshmana followed as shadow in serving Vishwamitra Maharshi. Finally, Vishwamitra got Siddhi. To get Siddhi, Subahu, they both come. They attacked that, and Rama killed all of them, throw away Maricha out of ocean. Finally, Vishwamitra succeeded. We all are here to get. We all are eating to live. We all are living to eat is wrong, which makes us to be in the cycle of birth and death. So we all are eating to live. We all are living to get Siddhi. Siddhi, how Siddhi comes? Siddhi comes on its way. Vinayaka is having 2 wives. Siddhi, you get Siddhi if you have Buddhi. Simple way. Lead your life with Buddhi, automatically you will get Siddhi. So, finally Vishwamitra got Siddhi. Marija, Subahu, both Rakshasas attacked when he started doing penance. When you really wanted to use this life for the better purpose, 2 demons come. One is Maricha, another one Subahu. Maricha should come as golden deer latter. Subahu, the previous karma. Maricha, upcoming karma. Poya Pidayum, Pugudaruva Nindronavu. 2 karmas. When you start doing penance, wanted to meditate upon Lord, all the previous data is going to bug you. Come on, open your eyes. Come on, enjoy the things. You are wasting your time. This is valuable weekend. Come on, complete. You are, see, many things bug you. That is Subahu. Agami karma Maricha. Those should be eliminated by God only. We cannot handle. We need not to handle. Vishwamitra gave all his powers to Rama. Finally, he requested Rama to take it. So Paramatma's presence is going to eliminate all the bad karma, give you Siddhi. What you need to do is approach Lord. Seek his refuge. Vishwamitra got Siddhi in the presence of Ramachandra Prabhu. He got invitation from Mithila. Janaka Maharaja was doing yajna. Purnahuti, last concluding ceremony, Vishwamitra has to attend. Rama Lakshmana also they both followed. And entering at the outskirts of Mithila, they saw an old hermitage. Rama always curious to know the things around. He inquired about it. Vishwamitra said, Hantate Kadhaishyami. Hey Rama, I need to reveal this. Thank you for reminding me. So this is the hermitage of Gautama Maharshi. Please enter into this. Rama entered into that. Rati naina nati gajese. He washed out the sin of Ahalya Devi. Ahalya Devi, Gautama Maharshi, they both joined in receiving Ramachandra Prabhu. Finally they entered into Mithila. Janaka Maharaja along with his priest, Shatananda. Remember the name of priest of Sitama? Sitama is Shatananda, son of Ahalya. He inquired about the parents. Vishwamitra revealed everything. Then Janaka Maharaja's eyes fallen on the beauty of Ramachandra Prabhu. Who is this guy? What about this one? Please tell me. See, inquired about Rama and Lakshmana. Dasharatha Maharaja, Vishwamitra Maharshi introduced about those boys. Then Janaka Maharaja revealed about the glory of Dhanus, how he got it. In his great personality in his dynasty, got this bow from Paramashiva. Deva Rata. What is the name of him? Who got bow of Paramashiva? Repeat this. Deva Rata. Paramashiva gave as Nyasam. Keep it with you, I will take later. That is called Nyasam. So they kept in the Puja Mandir, they were worshipping. In the lineage, this Janaka Maharaja, who found Sita Ma in the Yajna Vedi, what is his name? Siradhvaja. What is that? Please listen to me surely. Siradhvaja Janaka Maharaja. He was introducing about bow. This bow belongs to Paramashiva, given to Devarata, our great personality in our dynasty. We are doing puja to this. And I said, whoever lift the bow of Paramashiva will marry my daughter. Many came, tried, failed. Finally they said, it's impossible thing, and you kept this task to insult all of us. So they attacked. With the help of Devatas, Janaka Maharaja conquered all of them. But he was having one fear in his heart. What is it? Who is going to lift the bow, hold my daughter's hand? And Ramachandra, next day morning, 5,000 warriors pulled a basket for which there are 8 wheels, in which they kept the Paramashiva bow. They brought, kept in the middle, displayed in the assembly. Janaka Maharaja, Vishwamitra said, Vatsha, Rama, Dhanu Pasya, oh Rama, look at the bow. Rama did namaskar, respected it, hold it in the middle, lifted very easily as the mighty elephant holds the sugar cane. Now Rama's duty is he has to bend the bow and string it. While doing that, it's broken in the middle. A Kavi in a Telugu song described that. What is the thing broken there? Dhanuvo, maybe the bow, Janakuni manamuna bhayamo, the fear of Janaka Maharaja, also broken. Daruni kanya samshayamo, the doubt of Sitama also broken. ఎత్తుతాడో ఎత్తితే బాగుండు అనుకుంటుంది. ఆ డౌట్ కూడా క్లియర్ అయిపోయింది. ధనుజులు కలగను సుఖ గోపురమో, ధనుజులు కలగను సుఖ గోపురమో, విరిగెను మిథిలా నగరమున, రాముని అవతారం రవికుల సోముని అవతారం. వాట్ బ్రోకెన్? బో, fear of Janaka Maharaja, doubt of Sitama also cleared, and dream project of bad guys also collapsed. Now Janaka Maharaja requested Ramachandra to hold the hand of Sitama. He said, no, I don't know anything. I just hold the bow to string it. So my dad has to decide. Then messengers went and they shared the sweet news. Dasharatha Maharaja felt so happy along with his Purohitas, Vasishtha Maharshi, like great souls. He came to the Mandap, the Janaka Mithila. We are at Janaki Hall. And Vasishtha Maharshi revealed all the glory of Ramachandra Prabhu. Janaka Maharaja himself stood, revealed the glory of Sitama. Janaka Maharaja. So Vishwamitra Maharshi, Shatananda, Vasishtha, they all blessed that. They said made for each other. And now we are there. And now receiving Ramachandra Prabhu, washing his feet. Rama is none other than Narayana. So now we are washing his feet. Brahma kadigina padamu, Brahmamu dane padamu. Small announcement. Jai Sriman Narayana. Jai Sriman Narayana. Those who are interested in participating in the Kalyanam, I think we have one more final set of Ramachandra.
కడిగిన పాదము కడిగిన పాదము కడిగిన పాదము బ్రహ్మముతానే పాదము కడిగిన పాదము బ్రహ్మముతానే పాదము కడిగిన కొలిచిన నీ పాదము బలితల మోపిన పాదము చలని వసుత కొలిచిన నీ పాదము బలితల మోపిన పాదము తలక గగనము తన్నిన పాదము తలక గగనము తన్నిన పాదము బలరి పుగాచిన పాదము తలక గగనము తన్నిన పాదము బలరి పుగాచిన పాదము కడిగిన పాదము కామిని పాపము కడిగిన పాదము పాము తల నిడిన పాదము పామిని పాపము కడిగిన పాదము పాము తల నిడిన పాదము ప్రేమతో శ్రీ సతీ పిసిగిడి పాదము ప్రేమతో శ్రీ సతి పిసిగిడి పాదము పామిడి తూరగపు పాదము ప్రేమతో శ్రీ సతి పిసిగిడి పాదము పామిడి తూరగపు పాదము కడిగిన పాదము పరమయోగులకు పరి పరి విధముల వరమొసగేడి నీ పాదము పరమయోగులకు పరి పరి విధముల వరమొసగేడి నీ పాదము తిరువేంకటగిరి
Made up content.
Many Kanyadatas gave a lot of dresses to the Ramachandra Prabhu. He washed the lotus feet of Sri Ramachandra Prabhu, which washed out the sin of Ahilya, which measured 3 worlds, which washed by the Brahma, and which is dwelling in the hearts of great sages, which is dwelling on 7 hills. Now, we sing the glory of Lord. We submit ourselves to Ramachandra. We go to 7 hills, call him as son of Kausalya. Kausalya's Praja Rama. We call Rama, and he responds. So, surrender to Lord of 7 hills. With folded hands, please repeat after me. Sri Venkatesha, Neeku Sharan. At the end of each sentence, please say this. Okay? ఆదినారాయణుడవై క్షీరసాగరమున పవళించిన శ్రీ వెంకటేశ నీకు శరణము. మత్స్యరూపధరుడవై వేదోద్ధరణ చేసి సృష్టిని కాచిన పూర్వరూపధరుడవై సాగర మథనాన్ని సఫలం చేసి లక్ష్మీపతివైన ధన్వంతరివై ఓషధునిచ్చి మా భవరోగము బాపిన వరాహమూర్తి బుడమి పట్టి వెంకటాద్రిపై నిలచిన నారసింహుడవై బాలుని మ్రోచిన భక్త రక్షక వామనుడవై బలికీర్తిని చాటి ముల్లోకములను నీ పదమున చేర్చిన పరశురాముడవై దుర్మదాంధులకు బుద్ధి చెప్పిన శ్రీరాముడవై మానవతకు ప్రతిరూపుడవై ధర్మరాజ్యం అందించిన గీతాచార్య ధర్మోద్ధార యుగ యుగాలకు ఆరాధ్యమూర్తి చేసిన తనకి తీరక కలియుగ దైవమై అర్జామూర్తిగా సప్తగిరులపై మమ్ము కాచుచూ నిలచిన శ్రీశా నీకు శరణు శ్రీ వెంకటేశ నీకు శరణు ప్రభో నీకు శరణు శరణు. ఓం నమో వెంకటేశాయ. At least 8 times with folded hands. Look at the group, Lord, and submit yourself. ఓం నమో వెంకటేశాయ. 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 One more thing we should do as part of Sri Rama Navami. I think we celebrated Vasanta Navaratri Mahotsavas, right? What is it? Vasanta Navaratri Mahotsavas. New year starts with Sri Rama Puja. We continue 9 days, conclude with Sri Rama Navami. So what we do every day? We worship Lord Rama, we chant the Ramayana, we write the divine name of Rama, we gather and discuss about the Kalyana Gunas of Rama. I am the devotee of Rama, but I don't take care of my parents. It's funny thing. Foolish thing. Whoever take care of their parents, Rama looks them only. Okay? రాముడిని ప్రేమించి రాముడి చుట్టూ తిరిగే వాళ్ళ చుట్టూ రాముడు తిరిగాడు, పేరెంట్స్ చుట్టూ తిరిగే వాళ్ళ చుట్టూ రాముడు తిరుగుతాడు. సో అందుకోసం we have to take care of our parents. Generally, Rama just మన వైపు చూసి నవ్వాలంటే అదే, రాముడు మన వైపు చూసి నవ్వాడు. నేను పూలమాల తెచ్చానంటే, నేను ప్రసాదం తెచ్చానంటే చేశాడు, కానీ మీ పేరెంట్స్ చూస్తున్నా, అది ఇంపార్టెంట్. సో వీ హ్యావ్ టు టేక్ కేర్ ఆఫ్ అవర్ పేరెంట్స్. దట్ ఇస్ ద ఫస్ట్ స్టెప్. మాతృదేవో భవ, पितृदेवो भव, Acharya Devo Bhava, Athithi Devo Bhava. If you follow the footsteps, the Vedic system, Rama only Rama responds. So to become best driver, we have to see the lane changing కదా అంటుంది కదా. అక్కడ ఉన్న ప్రతి లైన్ కూడా ఇంపార్టెంట్, ప్రతి సిగ్నల్ ఇంపార్టెంట్, ప్రతి అక్కడ బోర్డు ఇంపార్టెంట్. అవన్నీ చూసుకొని డ్రైవ్ చేస్తేనే బెస్ట్ డ్రైవర్ అవుతాను. సో రాముడు అలా డ్రైవ్ చేస్తాడు, అలా ఎక్స్పెక్ట్ చేస్తాడు తన డివోటీస్ నుంచి. సో రామ భక్తుడు అన్నాడంటే అర్థం ఏంటి? ఇంకా ఆయన అందరు ఇష్టపడాలి. నేను రామభక్తుడినైనా మిగతా వాడు ఇష్టపడే అనుకోండి, మళ్ళీ అక్కడ చెక్ చేసుకోవాలి మనం. రామభక్తుడైతే అందరికి ఇష్టం అవ్వాలి, ఒకటే రూల్. సో మనం సమాజంలో ఉన్నామంటే సమాజం మనం ఇష్టపడేలా ఉండాలి. ఇష్టపడేలా ఉండాలంటే ఏం చేయాలి? రామభక్తులం అవ్వాలి. రామభక్తి అంటే విగ్రహం పెట్టి పూజ చేయడం మాత్రమే కాదు, నీ నామ రూపములకు నిత్య జయ మంగళం, పవమాన సుతుడు పట్టు పాదార విద్దానికి మంగళం. We sing the Mangalam to the lotus feet which holded by Vayu Kumara, Hanuman. Ni Nama. We sing the we do Mangalam to the name of divine name of Lord. Rupa, his form. We worship not only the form of Rama, not only the name of Rama, nature of Rama. When you love something, you imitate it. So be best. Do best. At least become beloved of Rama by this being somewhere point somewhere one. So we cannot imitate few characters, even though you do upasana. You cannot deliver a pizza like Spider-Man, even though you watch several times, right? Spider-Man, Superman, Ant-Man. Don't introduce those characters to your children. You can introduce. Those are entertaining, but Rama is real patra. Okay? Any movie starts like all these characters are created. It is not real story, right? You pay money and watch those movies. And what about Ramayana? Valmiki Maharshi? Nothing is fiction. Everything is a recorded history. Evam etat pura Vuruttam. Say that. Evam etat pura vuruttam. This is the thing happened once upon a time like this. No editing version. Valmiki Ramayana is the real. Until yesterday, they chanted Sundarakanda here. They completed yesterday. Wherever Sundarakanda, there will be Sitarama's presence. So Sitarama came to celebrate his marriage ceremony here because beloved chanted the divine name of Lord several times from last 1 week. Clap for them. Their presence brought this. So worshipping Rama is not only just keeping the idol, offering flowers. See the beauty of him, smile of south of Sardaguda. Citizens of Ayodhya wanted to see Ramachandra as king because he always cried. If there is competition for crying, we get first prize. Why Rama has to be king? Crying for yourself is bad. Crying for others is great quality. Vaishnava Janato Tene Kahiye. Feed Parai Janere. Nor of the pain of others. Paradukhe Upakar Kare Toye. If somebody in the pain, you run to help him. Man Abhiman na Anere. You never feel that arrogance. I did because of me that they survived on the earth. So you don't feel that arrogance. Serving the society is the nature of Rama. It should be the nature of the devotees of Rama. Good Rama always mingle in the society. Finally, Ramachandra lifted the bow of Paramasiva and please reveal the glory of two sides. Rama is on the dais, we received him as Narayana. Wash the feet of him, sing the glory of him. Now give our beloved Sitama to Ramachandra Prabhu. Kanyadanam. Panigrahanam is going on. Okay, Sita Kalyana Vaibhogam. So after this Kanyadanam, you do Mangalya, Dharana, Akshataropa. Now we are going to chant the names of all the sponsors, Kanyadatas. Kanyadanam is going on. Om Adharanta Vedyasya Srimadadinarayana
स्तुति पात्र पावन चरित्र रवि सोमवरनेत्र रमणीय गाथा सीता कल्याण वैभोग राम कल्याण वैभोग कचन परिपाल भरित सरजाल भुक्ति मुक्ति दलील भूदेव पाल सीता कल्याण वैभोग राम कल्याण वैभोग सुरभीमा परिपूर्ण कामा श्याम जगदभिराम साकेत रामा सीता कल्याण वैभोग राम कल्याण वैभोग सर्वलोकाधार समरैक धीर गर्वमानस दूर अनकाल धीर सीता कल्याण वैभोग राम कल्याण
जय श्रीमन्नारायण. Now कन्यादान संकल्पम. We are Janaka Maharaja holding the hand of Sita Ma, called Ramachandra Prabhu. Sita Rama, they both stood in front of the Agni with mantra Buddha Jalam. While giving his daughter to Ramachandra Prabhu, Janaka Maharaja spoke like this: let us repeat these words with folded hands and submit ourselves to Ramachandra Prabhu. Who is Sita? To whom there is no birth, who appeared in the sacred land. When the Janaka Maharaja was cultivating land to do yajna, he saw Sita Ma. So Sita Ma was under the ground because of Janaka Maharaja. Okay, everyone, silence please. Silence please. అక్కడ చిన్న షార్ట్ వీడియో తీస్తున్నారు. ఆ ఆనందం అందరికీ చేర్చాలని అది వినపడేలా ఉండాలి కదా. సో అందరు we are submitting ourselves to Ramachandra Prabhu. Sita Ma is the representative of all the beloved, all the devotees. As Janaka Maharaja holding the Sita Ma's hand and gave to Ramachandra, our Guru holds our hand, submits to Ramachandra Prabhu. That is Sita Kalyana. There is no birth to Sita, no birth to Sita Godama, there is no birth to the soul. As Sita Ma was under the ground, the soul also hidden under the nature. As Janaka Maharaja cultivates the land with the plow, Guru also does. Plow is called Jnana. He does Jnana Yajna. That becomes moksha sadhana to all of us. So, our Guru holds us and submits to Lord. That is Sita Kalyana. Because there is no birth to the soul. Bhagavad Gita spoke about it several times. Na jayate, muriyate, miriyate, va kadachit. So now let us say this Kanyadana with folded hands. Mama anadi avidya vasanaya pravartamane अस्मिन् संसार चक्रे महति नाना योनिषु जनित्वा तेनापि भाग्य विशेषेण इदानीं मनुष्य जन्म प्राप्तवतः मम जन्म प्रभृति एतत् क्षण पर्यन्तं नानाविधा नानाविधानां महापातक उपपातक आदीनां सद्यः अपनोदनाय श्रीमन्नारायण कैङ्कर्यरूपं कन्यादानं अहं करिष्ये. कन्यां कनकसम्पन्नां कनकाभरणयुक्तां दास्यामि विष्णवे तुभ्यं ब्रह्मलोकजीविषया कन्ये मम कृतो भूयात् कन्ये मे देवी परश्रियो कन्ये मे सर्वतो भूयात् पुत्राणात् प्रजानात् मोक्षमाप्नुयात् विश्वभरपञ्चभूताः साक्षिण्य सर्वदेवतानां कन्यां प्रदास्यामि पितॄणां धारणाय वै कन्यां सालङ्कृतां साध्वीं सुशीलाय धीमते प्रयोगं प्रयच्छामि धर्मकामार्थध्ये. ओम नमः पुण्डरीकाक्षनारायणाय मयाभिरामचन्द्रेश पीताम्बरसमुद्रजीवसागरसम्भूतं पारिजातादिसोदरीं महालक्ष्मीमां कन्यां सीतारामीमां कन्यां तुभ्यं दास्यामि विष्णवे गृहाण जगतां योगक्षेमाय पुरुषोत्तमा. इयं सीता मम सुता सह धर्मचरी तव प्रतीक्षज एनां भद्रन्ते पाणिं गृह्णीष्व पाणिना पतिव्रता महाभागा छायेन अनुगता सदा. बोल सीतारामचंद्र महाराज की. ओम
गवामन्ये विविच्छन्ति भुवनानि चतुर्दश इस्मादस्य प्रदानेन अतः शान्तिं प्रयच्छामि सर्वस्याश्रया भूमिः बलाहेन संस्कृता इस्मादस्य प्रदानेन अतः शान्तिं प्रयच्छामि श्रीजगद्भगर्भसमेव वीरविधांसोऽहमन्तफलम् अतः शान्तिं प्रयच्छामि सारग्रामशिलाजिगिरे भुवनानि चतुर्दश इस्मादस्य प्रदानेन अतः शान्तिं प्रयच्छामि
कल्याण वैभोगमे रामा कल्याण वैभोगमे पवन जसुदि पात्र पावन चरित्र
नो भगवान पुराण पुरुष कुर्यात् सदा मंगल सावधान सुमुहूर्ते सावधान सुलग्ने द्विजवृदैवत्यानां समस्त जगदाधार महामण्डूको कूर्मयज्ञरहसेषु पृथिवीनां समस्त मंगलालङ्कृतस्य सकल कल्याण लक्ष्मी लक्ष्मी समेतस्य शङ्खचक्रगदाशारङ्गादि आयुधरस्य लक्ष्मी मनोहर पक्षस्थलस्य भोगीन्द्र भोगेन सुभरतो नारायण सूर्यानुग्रहेण विधिवारं There is darkness in between us and Paramatma. That is ignorance. It should be removed by Guru only. When there is no curtain, there will be Anandam in our life.
చిరనవ్వు బలం ఆనందమానందమాయనే మన సీతమ్మ పెళ్లి కొడుకాయనే మన రామయ్య పెళ్లి కొడుకాయనే ఆనందమానందమాయనే మన సీతమ్మ పెళ్లి కొడుకాయనే మన రామయ్య పెళ్లి రత్నాల పీటలు వేసిరి సీతారాములిద్దరు కూర్చుంటిరి రత్నాల పీటలు వేసిరి సీతారాములిద్దరు కూర్చుంటిరి బ్రహ్మానందమయము అచ్చటగా విరచిరి బ్రహ్మానందమయము అచ్చటగా విరచిరి ఆనందమానందమాయనే మన అమ్మ పెళ్లి కూతురాయనే మన రామయ్య పెళ్లి కొడుకాయనే జీలకర్ర బెల్లము తీసి సీత శిరసున పెట్టి జీలకర్ర బెల్లము తీసి సీత శిరస్సున పెట్టి గుచ్చిన ముత్యాలు తోరణాలు కట్టిరి గుచ్చిన ముత్యాలు తోరణాలు కట్టిరి గుచ్చన్ని ముత్యాలు కలంబ్రాలు పోసిరి గుచ్చన్ని ముత్యాలు కలంబ్రాలు పోసిరి ఆనందమానందమాయనే మన సీతమ్మ పెళ్లి కూతురాయనే మన రామయ్య పెళ్లి కొడుకాయనే ఎన్నాను పార్వతి సరస్వతి ఎల్లా ఇంద్రాణి దేవి అరుంధతి ఎన్నాను పార్వతి సరస్వతి ఎల్లా ఇంద్రాణి దేవి అరుంధతి గెలవ పసుపులెత్తిరి కదలాగరతులు గెలవ పసుపులెత్తిరి కదలాగరతులు ఆనందమానందమాయనే మన సీతమ్మ పెళ్లి కూతురాయనే మన రామయ్య పెళ్లి కొడుకాయనే జనకుడు పాద పూజ చేసెను సీతను కూడా భారమోసెను పెట్టెనే పెద్ద తుడుము పెండి కూతురు నేడు పెట్టెడు చీరలు కట్టే పెండి కూతురు గట్టిగా వెంకటపతి కౌగిటను గట్టిగా వెంకటపతి కౌగిటను వివాహమైన పెండి కూతురు తలంబ్రాల పెండి కూతురు పెడమరలి నవ్వేనే పెండి కూతురు తలంబ్రాల పెండి కూతురు పెడమరలి నవ్వేనే పెండి కూతురు తలంబ్రాల పెండి కూతురు కొంత పెడమరలి నవ్వేనే పెండి కూతురు తలంబ్రాల పెండి కూతురు కొంత పెడమరలి నవ్వేనే పెండి కూతురు కొంత పెడమరలి నవ్వేనే పెండి కూతురు కొంత పెడమరలి నవ్వేనే పెండి కూతురు She's a 2027.
Be ready, Kana? Be ready? Let's go into sequence. Two more songs. Maharaj Agnar and Mangalam. Many artists are here in Boston. Everyone wants to submit their talent at the Lordship of Lord. It's an opportunity and the Lord wants to please everyone.
Why when you present alone? ఏదైనా చాలా అంగడం అనేది చాలా టైప్ పెద్దది కదా
Rama's marriage, lovers, silent place. Praise to the Narayana. Your attention please. Praise to the Narayana. Everyone, you are allowed to eat, not allowed to talk. Hello. Jai Shri Narayana. Okay. Nobody is allowed to talk. If you want to talk, you can go outside. మొహమాటం లేదు, అందరూ చాలా మంచిగా చేశారు. చివరిలో 100 మార్కులు రాబోతున్నాయి మన గ్రూప్కు. ఎవరు పోగొట్టకండి. ఐ డోంట్ వాంట్ టు బి సీన్ ఇన్ one mark. 100 marks we are going to get if you give little time. So we gathered all the apsarasas, then it's like stereo. From the bottom, devotees are singing on this air. Devatas, Gandharvas sang from the top. So, Tadat Bhutam Adrishyata. It's Adbhutam. Rama's marriage. Come on, let us. So, Gandharvas are singing. They are here. They are here. And Apsaras are dancing. They are here. And few more Apsaras are there. Let us celebrate together. Okay.
மாலை சாத்தினாள் கோதை மாலை மாட்டினாள் மாலை சாத்தினாள் கோதை மாலை மாட்டினாள் மாலைடைந்து மதிலரங்க மாலையவர்கள் மாட்டிலே மாலைடைந்து மதிலரங்க மாலையவர்கள் மாட்டிலே மாலை சாத்தினாள் கோதை மாலை மாட்டினாள் மாலை சாத்தினாள் கோதை மாலை மாட்டினாள் மாலைடைந்து மதிலரங்க மாலையவர்கள் மாட்டிலே மதிலரங்க மாலையவர்கள் மாட்டிலே மையலாய் கையலாய் மாமலர் கரத்தினாள் மையலாய் கையலாய் மாமலர் கரத்தினாள் மாலை சாத்தினாள் கோதை மாலை மாட்டினாள் மாலை சாத்தினாள் கோதை மாலை மாட்டினாள் ரங்கராஜனை அன்பர் தங்கநேசனை ரங்கராஜனை அன்பர் தங்கநேசனை ஆசை கூறி பூசுரர்கள் பேசி நிற்க வாட்டிட ஆசை கூறி பூசுரர்கள் பேசி நிற்க வாட்டிட அன்பராஜனை அன்பர் தங்கநேசனை ஆசை கூறி பூசுரர்கள் பேசி நிற்க வாட்டிட அன்புடன் இன்பமாய் ஆண்டாள் நடத்தினாள் அன்புடன் இன்பமாய் ஆண்டாள் நடத்தினாள் மாலை சாத்தினாள் கோதை மாலை மாட்டினாள் மாலை சாத்தினாள் கோதை மாலை மாட்டினாள் பூ மாலை சாத்தினாள் கோதை மாலை மாட்டினாள் பூ மாலை சாத்தினாள் கோதை மாலை மாட்டினாள் துளசி மாலை சாத்தினாள் கோதை மாலை மாட்டினாள் சீத மாலை சாத்தினாள் கோதை மாலை மாட்டினாள் மாலை சாத்தினாள் கோதை மாலை மாட்டினாள் மாலை சாத்தினாள் கோதை மாலை மாட்டினாள் கோதை மாலை மாட்டினாள் கோதை மாலை மாட்டினாள் கோதை மாலை
बोल राजा रामचंद्र महाराज मंगल ఒక లైన్ మీరు అన్ని పాట స్టార్ట్ చేస్తారు ఒక లైన్ ఆన్ చేసేస్తే నెక్స్ట్ పాట
रामचन्द्राय जनकराज मनोहराय मामकाभीष्टदाय हरितमङ्गलम् रामचन्द्राय जनकराज मनोहराय मामकाभीष्टदाय हरितमङ्गलम् कोसलेशाय मन्दहासदासभूषणाय वासवादिविमुक्त सर्वराय मङ्गलम् चारुचन्द्र
रामचन्द्राय जनकराज मनोहराय मामकाभीष्टदाय हरित रामचन्द्राय जनकराजजामनोहराय कामकाभीष्टदाय महितमङ्गलम् रामचन्द्राय जनकराजजामनोहराय कामकाभीष्टदाय महितमङ्गलम् पोषणाय
Jai Srimanarayana, very beautiful Dana. God bless you. Shailaja Garu Brundam took the responsibility of Apsarasa. Radhika Garu Brundam are taking the responsibility of Gandharvas. So now let us conclude with Mangalam. And I have one idea. Yeah, there are many presentations. Aditya Hrudayam. After Sita Kalyanam, Ravana comes. Let us eliminate him by chanting Aditya Hrudayam. Then Pattabhishekam. We will be in the same hands. So now Aditya Hrudayam chanting will be there. It's famous prayer. I guess you all know it. Otherwise, learn.
Yes.
One thing I just wanted to share. I have a channel, Marin Ganti, MARIN. Udayastamana Seva. We start in the morning, conclude in the night. Entire day we do puja. So then we give 5 hours to them, 5 hours to them, 5 hours to them. That kind of thing we can plan once. Udayastamana in the hall or house, we don't know. But if you bring more prasadams, house becomes unfit. Automatically we will switch to the hall. Can we plan that? This is personal announcement, it's not public announcement. మనం అంతా ప్రసాదాలు నేర్చుకున్నాం. కృష్ణుడి కోసం ఒక మంచి స్పెషల్గా ప్రసాదం ఉండాలి. ఒకళ్ళు జామున్ చేస్తారు, ఒకళ్ళు పూరి, ఒకళ్ళు మరొకటి సజ్జభక్షాలు ఒకటి చేస్తారు, మరొకటి చేస్తారు. అందరం ఒక్కొక్క ఐటెం నేర్చుకొని కృష్ణుడి కోసమే నేర్చుకొని మన టేస్ట్ చూడకుండా బాగుండేలాగా చేసి మంత్రం చదువుకుంటూ శుచిగా ఆ ప్రసాదం చేసి ఉదయం నుంచి సాయంత్రం దాకా కృష్ణుడిని కలుసుకొని అర్ధరాత్రి ఆయన పుడతాడు కనుక ఏ సాయంకాలం కలుసుకొని ఇదాలి. తన కోసం తాను వండుకుంటే దొంగతనమట. ఆదిత్య హృదయం revealed by great Maharshi Agastya Bhagavan to Ramachandra Prabhu. Let us listen to the Aditya Hridayam. Please go ahead, Kanani. Then we will conclude with the Mangala.
पूर्णात् पूर्णमुदच्यते पूर्णस्य पूर्णमादाय पूर्णमेवावशिष्यते श्रीमन्नारायणं वन्दे यतीश्वरस्यादृशं ज्ञानानन्दमयं देवं निर्मलस्फटिकाकृतिम् आधारं सर्वविद्यानां हयग्रीवमुपास्महे विसन्तु मे देवा सदा प्रतीक्षाः दया तरङ्गानुसराकटाक्षाः क्रोधेषु पुंसामृतं शरन्ति सरस्वती संस्कृतमदेवम् पदामपहर्तारं दातारं सर्वसम्पदां लोकाभिरामं श्रीरामं भूयो भूयो नमाम्यहम् तन्मातृस्य रामोपासरति यदि पौरुषेयं प्रतिष्ठं रावणं ततो युद्धपरिश्रान्तं समरे चिन्तयासितं रावणं शापशोभिस्वायुद्धाय समुपस्थितं देवदेशसमागम्य दुष्टुम् अव्याघ्रोरणम् उपागम्य रवीन्द्रामम् अगस्त्यो भगवान् ऋषिः अगस्त्य उवाच राम राम महाबाहो शृणु गुह्यं सनातनं येन सर्वानरिन्वत्स सहलेखितयिष्यसि अतिथिं पुण्यं सर्वशत्रुनाशनं जयावहं जपे नित्यम् अक्षयं परमं शुभं सर्वमङ्गलमाङ्गल्यं सर्वपापप्रणाशनं चिन्ताशोकप्रशमनम् आयुर्वर्धनम् उत्तमम् श्रीमन्तं समुद्यन्तं देवासुरनमस्कृतं पूजयस्वं स्मस्मन्तं भास्करं भुवनेश्वरं गोहेश तेजस्वी सोमो यपामतिः पितरो वसवश्राव्याहि अस्मिन् वरदो मनुः वायुर्वह्नि प्रजा प्राणः गन्धा प्रभाकरः आदित्यस्तमिता सूर्यः ततः पूषा गवस्तिमान् सुवर्णः तद्भुतो बाणुः सर्वदेता दिवाकरः हरिदस्मत्सहस्राक्षिः सप्त सप्तेन्मरीचिमान् तिथिरोनतनस्वभुः पृष्ठा माताण्डमंशुमान् हिरण्यगर्भस्थितः कपलो वर्गवेदवति अग्निगर्भोदेशः जगत्सृजनाशनः व्योमनाथस्तमो वेदी रुद्रजुस्वामपारगः गणमुष्टिरपामित्रो अधिपो विश्वभावनः तेजसामति तेजस्वी मानसात्मानोऽस्ते नमः पूर्वाय विरये पश्चिमाय विरये नमः ज्योतिर्गणानां पतये गुणानां पतये नमः जयाय जयभद्राय राजस्वाय नमो नमः नमो नमः सहस्राब्दो आदित्याय नमो नमः नमः उग्राय वीराय सारंगाय नमो नमः नमः पद्मप्रबोधाय मातङ्गाय नमो नमः रम्येशानाथिकेशाय सूर्यायादित्यवर्चसे वासवे सर्वभक्षाय रौद्राय वपुषे नमः तमोघ्नाय हिमल्हाय शत्रुघ्नाय हरितात्मने कृतघ्नाय देवाय गोविशाम्बरे नमः पक्षशामिकराय सर्वेषु रविप्रभुः येन मापत्सुरुचिरेषु कान्तावेषु भयेषु च कीर्तयन् पुरुषः कश्चित् नामसीदति राघव पूजयस्वैनमेकाग्रो देवदेवं जगत्पतिम् एतद्विगुणितं कृत्वा युद्धेषु युयुज्यसि अस्मिन् क्षणे महाबाहो रावणं त्वं प्रदिश्यसि एवमुक्त्वा कमलदासः जगामशयतावतम् एतच्छ्रुत्वा महावीर हस्तशोको भवत्यदा धारयामास सुप्रीतो राघवं प्रेतात्मवान् आदित्यं प्रेषु दक्षासु परमक्षमान् पुनः विनाशं यशु भूत्वा अधाराय वीर्यवान् रामदाय गणेश जयश्रात्मा युद्धाय समुवागमन् सर्वरत्नेन माता अभेमस्य श्लोको जगत् अभयं दीक्षरामम् सुनितमनां शरणं पुरुषमानं
आवदानमहर्तारं व्यापारं सर्वसम्पदां लोकाभिरामं श्रीरामं बोल राजा रामचंद्र महाराज की जय। आदित्य हृदय उपासना राम eliminated Ravana. There is Ravana